Hello, welcome to CCA English classes. Nowadays, we are taking spoken English conversations, and with us, we have a very intelligent, lovely student, Lavina. Hello, Lavina, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. Thank you very much. I have seen you after a long time. Uh, have you passed your class 12th?
Yes.
Okay, you have passed your class 12th.
Yes.
Very nice. So today we are going to take these type of things. What have you, your family members, anybody done recently? So what we use simple has, have, subject and third form of verb. He has, she has, it has, singular noun has, I have, we have, you have, they have, plural noun have, girls have, children have. For I, we, you, they, plural, we use have. He, for he, she, it, singular, we use has.
Have.
Okay. For yes, no type questions, we will put has, have first, then subject, then third form of verb, then object. Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions and you will answer using yes or no.
No.
Okay. Have you taken lunch?
Yes.
So whatever things Lavina has recently done, we will use this structure. Subject for he, she, singular has, for I, we, you, they have, plural have. So recent activities which have recently completed but still have their presence at present. Okay. Has your father also taken lunch?
Yes.
Okay. So you can use complete sentence. Yes, my father has also taken lunch. Repeat.
My father has also taken lunch.
Okay. Has your sister, younger sister, taken lunch?
Yes, my younger sister also has taken lunch.
Yes. So my younger sister has also taken
Lunch.
lunch. What about your younger brother? Has he also taken lunch?
Yes. He also take he also has taken lunch.
Yes, he has also taken lunch.
Okay.
Again, repeat.
Yes, he has also taken lunch.
Great, very good. So, has your brother passed his examination?
Yes, my brother has passed examination.
Okay, nice. What about your younger sister?
He al- she also
She has.
she has also passed examination.
So, Lavina's brother, Lavina's sister, both have recently passed their examinations. So, this is just a recent activity. So, here, Lavina has used subject, has, and then third form. My younger sister has passed her examination. My brother has passed his
His
examination.
examination.
Four brother, his. Four sister,
Her.
her. Yes. What about your father? Has your father recently bought anything new?
Yes, he bought a new car.
Yes, he has bought a new car. Repeat.
He has bought a new car.
Good. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Good. Okay. What about your mother? Has she also purchased anything new?
No, she hasn't.
No, she has. My father has recently bought a new car. No, my mother hasn't bought anything new. Very good. For yes, subject has third form. For no, subject hasn't and then third form of verb. Okay. Has your father bought any new house?
No, he hasn't.
No, he has. My father hasn't bought any new house. Very good. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you some questions, which will start with question word. So if we are going to ask any question with question word, we will put has or have, then subject, then third form object. What has your father recently bought? So in answer, Lavina will use subject, then has, then third form of verb, and then object. My father, your father, singular noun, Yes.
Yes, my father has bought a new car.
Great. Very good. Okay. What have you taken in lunch today? So with I, you will use
Have.
have. I have, we have, you have, they have, children have, you will not have. So what have you recently taken in lunch?
I have taken khichdi in lunch.
Okay, great. Light food.
Yes.
You have taken light food.
Light food.
Very
Okay.
good. Very nice. Okay. And what have your parents done recently? In parents, father and mother both. So we will put have.
Have.
So what have your parents recently done? Any special thing? Anything? No. So no, my parents haven't done any recent activity. They haven't done anything new. Just repeat.
No,
They haven't
they haven't
done anything new.
done anything new.
Okay, then again repeat the same sentence.
They haven't
Done
done
anything
anything
new.
new.
Okay, very good. Okay. In which class has your younger sister got admission? In which class? The class standard for second, third, sixth. In which class has your younger sister taken admission? My younger
My
sister.
younger sister has taken admission in 8th standard.
Very good. And what about your brother?
My my brother has taken admission in LKG.
Very nice. Okay. Which car, which model's car has your father purchased?
My father has purchased
Purchased.
purchased
Oh, yes.
yes
Purchased.
purchased Hyundai car.
Great. Very good. Okay, so party is due.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now you can ask me any question. Okay.
Okay.
You can ask any question, starting with has a or question word.
Has you have has you taken lunch?
So with you, we will use have.
Have.
Have you taken lunch? Ask.
Have you taken lunch?
Yes, I have taken lunch.
Has your wife taken lunch?
Yes, correct. Has your wife? Wife is third person. Have you taken lunch? Has your wife taken lunch? Yes, both of us have taken lunch.
Okay.
Yes.
What have you purchased new
Yes. What have you purchased recently?
recently?
So I have purchased a new cell phone.
Okay.
Any question?
No.
Okay. So in this way, I hope that you all have got the point. You can also have talk with your nouns using these structures for the things which you have recently done, which someone else has recently done. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Thanks a lot, Lavina. See you tomorrow.